Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a beautiful unicorn together. Are you ready? Let's start. Trace the outline of the head, starting with a curved line, then a semicircle for the muzzle, another curved line, and a semicircle for the head. Now draw a vertical line for the neck, then a semicircle, and a horizontal line for the back. Now draw a semicircle. Trace the other neckline. Now draw the first front paw, first the diagonal line, then go down with another diagonal line. Another diagonal line to form a letter V. Draw another upside down letter V and finish the paw with a small semicircle. Now draw the second front paw, which follows the shape of the first paw. Draw a round line for the belly. Draw the hind leg with a round line. A straight line. A V-shaped line. Another straight line joining the curve already drawn. Draw the second hind leg following the shape of the other leg. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Draw the horn on the head and 4 small lines inside it. Trace the outline of the ear and then draw the inside of it. Draw 2 circles for the eye. Draw a round line for the muzzle and a curved line for the mouth. Trace the mane starting from the horn with a small inverted letter V. Then draw a curved line that follows the shape of the head and close the line on the neck with an inverted letter V. Draw 4 lines inside it. Now draw the tail with 2 large curved lines. Draw 6 lines inside it, following the shape of the tail. Now draw some lines in the paws, which will be the hooves. Wow! Our unicorn turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eye. Use pink for the head, ear, body, and pose. Use a darker pink for the inside of the ear, horn, muzzle, and hooves. Use red to color the first part of the mane and tail, and use orange for the second part of the mane and tail. Use yellow for the third part, color the fourth paw with green, use indigo for both the fifth part of the mane and tail, use blue for the sixth part of the mane and tail, and color the last part with purple. Wow! Our unicorn friend is gorgeous and ready to experience new adventures! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!